In this video, you'll learn how to connect Airtable to Make.com so you can start automating your workflows and moving data between your tools without manual copy and paste. We'll go step by step from an empty Make account screen to a working scenario that talks to your Airtable base. First, on your computer, open your browser and go to Make.com. Once the site loads, sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you should land on your dashboard where you can see any existing scenarios. If you're new to Make, your dashboard may be empty, and that's completely fine for this tutorial. From the dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click the button labeled Create a New Scenario. This takes you into the scenario editor, which is where all of your automation logic will live. You'll see a large empty canvas in the middle of the screen with a prompt to add your first module. Think of a module as a building block that either retrieves data, sends data, or performs some action. Next, click the button that says Add a Module. A search window will appear listing all of the apps and services you can connect to Make. In the search bar, type Airtable. You should see Airtable appear as a result. Click on Airtable to see the available modules for this app. Now you'll be asked to choose a specific Airtable module, which basically means deciding what kind of action you want Make to perform. For example, you can choose Watch Records if you want Make to listen for new or updated records in a table and trigger the scenario whenever something changes. Or you can choose Create Record if you want this scenario to add new rows into your Airtable base. Pick the one that best matches what you're trying to do. You can always change it later if needed. Once you select the module, Make will ask you to connect your Airtable account. Click the option to add a new connection. A window will open where you'll provide your Airtable credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You might be asked for an API key or token from Airtable, or to log into your Airtable account and authorize access. Make sure you keep any keys or tokens private and never share them publicly. When you're done, confirm the connection. If everything is correct, you'll see your Airtable account listed as an available connection for this module. With Airtable connected, the module will now let you choose exactly which base and which table you want to work with. Use the drop-down menus to select the base first, then the table inside that base. This tells Make where to read data from or where to write new records. Take a moment to double-check that you've chosen the correct base and table, especially if you have similar names. At this point, you have a basic Airtable connection in place. To build out a real automation, you'll usually want to add more modules and connect other apps. Click on the small plus icon next to your Airtable module to add another step. Again, use the search box to find other services you use, such as email tools, project management apps, or messaging platforms. Configure each additional module so that data flows the way you want, for example, from Airtable into another app or from another app back into Airtable. When your scenario looks complete, it's time to test it. At the bottom of the editor, click the button to run the scenario once. Watch the run log to make sure each module completes successfully and that the data in Airtable looks correct. If something doesn't behave as expected, go back, adjust the module settings, and run the test again. Once your test run works and you're happy with the results, activate the scenario. This turns it on so it can run automatically according to your triggers or schedule. From now on, Make and Airtable will work together behind the scenes, saving you time and reducing manual effort.